Good morning. Can you tell I just woke up? I wanted to show you something that I do most mornings these days. Have you ever heard of dry brushing? It's a practice that has been around since ancient times in probably every culture. I've had amazing scrubs at Korean spas. I've had really interesting scrubs in Russia. I've had in South America, different kinds of scrubs with different stones. But here in the States, a lot of the dry brushes that I have purchased throughout the years were really herdy, and I thought, I'm not going to do this on the daily. It's not pleasurable, so I'm not going to actually invest time in doing it. But I know that it's good for us, and it's good for us for two reasons. First of all, it takes off the dead, dry skin that's sitting on top of our bodies, and we don't need that skin there. It's preventing our oils and lotions from penetrating. The main reason that you do need some of your dead, dry skin is to protect yourself from the sun. So if I'm going to be in the sun, I don't go to town on this that morning. Second reason why dry brushing is so great for us is because it helps to stimulate and move our lymph throughout the system. And lymph is a liquid within our body that helps to gather and cleanse any impurities that we don't need. So if you're not as active as you should be, you don't exercise, you are wearing clothes that are too tight and prohibiting proper flow of any of our systems within the body, this is an awesome thing to do. So I want to show you the one that I've just recently found that changed my feelings about dry brushing. It's from a brand called Persoma, and it's ethically harvested jute fibers, and it looks like this. And it's really soft and it feels really good. And you start at your feet and you just do gentle scrubs on both sides. Work your way up your legs, do the part where your body meets your legs, work to the back, work on your back to the best of your ability, do your arms, hands all the way up, armpits, stimulate your lymph there. Do as much of your stomach and chest as you can without it being overly too sensitive. And then jump in the shower. Wash all the dead skin off, and then your body's ready for any lotions or oils you want to put on, or sunscreens. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Bye.